Up first this evening, the Hanover police have detained 3 more persons of interest in connection with the murder of 9-year-old Esther Primary School student Nikita Noels.
Now, the men were picked up today during a series of operations by the Hanover police and detectives attached to the Area 1 headquarters.
Anthony Lugg has the details.
This is the road turned dirt track 9-year-old Nikita Noels traversed every afternoon after being dropped off by her driver. In communities like Kew in Hanover, there are drop-off points due to the deplorable road conditions. From the drop-off point, it took our news team 9 minutes walk to the location where Nikita's lifeless body was discovered, which was roughly minutes away from her home. The long walk home is the reality for several other children in rural Jamaica.
We have taken steps at our institution to ensure the safety of children. In Nikita's case, we can verify that she was picked up by her taxi, dropped off at her gate.
Antoinette White is the principal of the Esher Primary School. On Thursday, the trauma support team, along with representatives from the Education Ministry and other agencies, visited the institution to offer support to students.
Every time I call in,
tributes poured in. At Nikita's desk, flowers. Her classmates also shared memories, drawings, and kind words.
It is heartrending, and I think we don't have any words to describe how we really feel as a region having to deal with this a second time.
While the school grieves back home, relatives are also finding it difficult to come to terms with the 9-year-old's death. Residents showed us Nikita's dog. We were told routinely he would meet her down the road and accompany her home. Last night, the dog was found with its legs bound.
Some people live some life already, you live no life yet now. Let me talk about that, bro.
The youngster was found in bushes sometime after 7 Wednesday night. Her mother, Nadia Edwards, became suspicious and alerted the police sometime after 4 when Nikita did not come home.
My daughter walk in the yard. When she goes to school, straight home. When they drive drop her off, she comes straight home. So I kind of find it funny. I see time catch up after 5 days time. Then I say no, something right. And then I start feeling my belly back and the pain. Then I know something right.
Meanwhile, a 42-year-old man is now in police custody in relation to the incident. The police say he was picked up hours after Nikita's body was found. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.